Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon. Just hanging out with Ryan and my mother. My mom's sitting over there on her phone. We're just hanging out. Jesse's at work today. It's Sunday. He's at work today. And my dad is umpiring games today, so he's working too. And the other three crazy boys are at my in-laws, giving us a little break, which is kind of nice. And we're just hanging out and enjoying our morning with this little guy with this new haircut. Ryan, you playing? Hi, baby. Looking cool, right?
Hi, baby.
Hi. Yeah. Hey, one at a time. You're not supposed to put two of them in there. You got enough in your mouth. He stole your snack. Hi. Hi. You hit Mama's leg and getting it all dirty? Thanks, dude. Thanks. Yeah, I get that. Push the button again. That toy's gonna teach you. That toy's teaching you road rage.
Wait, sucker.
Out of the way.
How about please or thank you?
Must be a
But
Out of the way.
the toy that teaches you road rage. Muscle man. Pick it up. Can you pick it up? Look at him. Scooch, scooch, scooch. Pick it up. Use those muscles. Thing is almost bigger than you, kid. Woo! Oh, there you got it. Keep going. You're doing good. Look at you. Ooh. Uh-oh. What you gonna do?
no shoes.
Whoop. Whoop. You. Ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Is that funny? It's hot in here, huh? Ooh. Ooh. You're gonna go down for a nap. You're gonna go down for a nap. Ryan is down for a nap right now, and I'm enjoying my homemade coffee, trying to do Starbucks. Not too bad. It's not Starbucks, but it'll do. Can you guys see that? That messy... Oh, that's a good one. That's Ryan's handiwork. Get it? Handiwork. My mom and I on a walk, our evening walk. Have Ryan in the stroller. It's our workout for the evening. Trying to shed some of these pounds, you know? It's a good walk. It's a good workout. We need it. Huh, Mom?
Yep.
Yeah. Gotta get ready for Hawaii. Gotta get this body in bikini shape because it's definitely not yet. Not yet. So now I am going around the neighborhood on my own. The baby is at the house with my mom. And I am still going. I jogged once around, which I'm proud of myself for doing that because I can't run. I can barely jog. And after 2 major surgeries in, 3 months' time, pretty much, finally getting back to normal again. So that's a good thing. But like I said earlier, trying to get this body back in shape, getting ready for Hawaii, because Jesse and I are leaving for Hawaii in September. So, should be fun. But hard work. Hopefully hard work pays off. All showered up. That walk, that run, it was awesome. Whew. Good workout. So,
Guess what?
guess who's home?
Woo! And guess what?
The boys are home.
Okay, we're in the middle
Of
of doing the guess that juice and chip. So Jacob, he just got this, but he can't guess what it is.
Let's see.
So Jake, take a guess.
Oh, I know what this is. Is
What?
it watered down orange Gatorade?
Yes. Okay. Now on to the chip. Does it really matter with you because you can see it?
Guess it, Joey. What is it?
It's watered down orange Gatorade. I already
Okay,
know it.
Because he could see
Next
it.
chip for hey, don't
I
keep
can't even see it. I'm like,
You cheating over there?
no.
Put your head down.
Don't be having your head up. Put your head
Put your
down.
head down.
Put your
You
head
guys
down.
are my favorite fans.
Put your head
You
down.
guys are gonna win this. Yeah.
Okay. Here's the next chip.
Okay.
Okay, remember you can't smell it.
Okay. You can put it on. I know what this is. Cool Ranch Dorito?
No.
Wait.
Wait.
Doritos
for-
Flameless. Yeah. What about me?
Woo.
You could have.
All right, so that's it for that.
No.
Ryan's munching on his sandwich. Yum.
Okay, next chip.
Yum. Jesse's back from his walk.
Walk? You want to call that a walk?
That was his workout. He's trying to shed some of those pounds also to get ready for Hawaii. So, yeah, he's a sweaty mess over there. Sweaty mess over there. Sweaty mess.
5 miles.
5 miles?
5 miles.
That's good.
5 miles.
All right,
Sounds like it.
time to get these kids off to bed. Hey, off to bed. Everybody's had it with attitudes.
And I never got
13-year-olds have attitudes. 13-year-olds have attitudes. Unnecessary. So, yeah, gotta get them off to bed. Okay, got Ryan all in his PJs. Trying to get him off to bed. You trying to get off to bed? What are you gonna say? Say night-night.
Over here.
Say night-night. No. Like I said earlier, he's good at saying no. No.
Bo.
Bo. All right, let's get your bed down. Ready for bed.
Joey's in Kyle's bed. No. Jacob's bed is that one right there. With the mini fan
All
by
right,
the
your bed's down.
windows.
You can get your own pillows. All right. Joe, you in bed? You got your froggy? Love you.
Love you too.
Good night.
Good night.
Jake, love you.
Love you too.
Good night.
Good night. But wait,
What?
I forgot something.
What?
You guys are the best
Oh,
fans.
you gotta turn on your fan.
You guys are the best fans ever. We love you. You guys are the best Don't forget to hit the
Yep.
thumbs up button and subscribe down below.
Yep. Everything that he just said. All right, we got Kyle's in bed now. Night, Kyle.
Good night.
Love you.
Love you too.
All right, that's gonna do it for our vlog today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. A lot of fun
Hey,
Ryan
you guys. You guys.
getting my workout in. Yeah, fun times.
Hey.
We'll see you guys soon. What?
What's this?
Woo! We'll see you guys soon.
Love you
Bye.
guys.